Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today problem number is 1846, maximum element after decreasing and rearranging. You are given an array of positive integers R. Perform some operations, possibly none, on R so that it satisfied these conditions. The value of the first element in R must be 1. The absolute difference between any two adjacent elements must be less than or equal to 1. And there are two types of operations that you can perform any time, so any number of times. Decrease the value of any element of R to a smaller positive integer, rearranging the element of R to be in any order. Return the maximum possible value of an element in R after performing the operations to satisfy the conditions. So let's find the solution. Basically, we need to change the array that way that all elements will be started from 1 and after they can be increased to 1 or decreased to 1 or stay the same. Let's think different way. For instance, we can sort initial array to make it increasing, and we by description all elements in the array are positive, so a minimum element can be 1 or higher, and we can decrease any element by some number, so make it 1 or higher. So after sort elements, we will go through first element and to the last element and make elements to satisfy the conditions. So let's sort the array. To do it, we use Python method sort. Now array is sorted, and let's change the array to satisfy conditions. First element at index 0 can be 1. So it's not no matter that value was in the first element, because by description it always 1 or higher, so we can decrease it to 1. After it, we check all elements from 1 to end the array, so to the length of R, and we will change each element, and that the value it can be. So in the best option is to make current element equals to previous element plus 1, but we can do it if current element already has this value or higher. In case current element less or equal previous element, it will be the same. So R of I equals to minimum of two values. It can be current value or previous value plus 1. When we go through all elements, we will change initial array to the array satisfied all conditions, and the last element will contain the maximum value, so we can return it. R minus 1. We use minus 1 as the index in Python, and it will return the last element of the array. So let's check the tests. Test passed. Let's submit it. All works. Let's analyze the time complexity of the algorithm. First of all, first operation is sorting the array, and it has complexity O of n log n. Second operation, we go through all elements in the array, and this kind of loop has time complexity O of n. And now we can calculate total complexity. Total complexity will be O of n log n plus O of n. By the rule how to calculate the big O, how to calculate time complexity using big O notation, we can keep only the biggest part. So the total complexity is O of n log n. So it's quite a good result. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.